Social Security birth date schedule. Why your Navi work got paid today but you are waiting until May 27 Prana benefit TB. Have you ever checked your bank account and wonder why your Navi work already got their Social Security payment while you are still waiting? Millions of Americans face this confusion every month, especially in May when payments are spread across different business days. Some retiree already got paid while others must wait until May 27. In this video, I will explain exactly how Social Security birth date payment system works step by step. Your birthday control your payment date. The Social Security Administration uses a staggered payment system mainly based on birthdays. People born between the 1st and 10th of any month usually receive benefits on the second business day. Birthday between the 11th and 20th are paid on the third business day. Beneficiaries born between the 20th and 31st receive payments on the fourth business day, which fall on May 27 in 2026. The three main May 26 payment date. May 2026 follow the standard Social Security 3 business day schedule. Beneficiaries born the 1st through the 10th receive payment on business day May 13. Those born between the 11th and 20th are paid on business day May 20. Americans born after the 20th must wait until business day May 27 for their monthly Social Security deposit to arrive in their account. Some retirees follow completely different rule. Not everyone follow the birth date business day system. People who started receiving Social Security before May 1997 are usually paid on the third day of each month. Instead, supplemental security income receipts, also called SSI, beneficiaries generally receive payment on the first business day of the month. These separate payment schedules often create confusion when retirees compare payment date with Navivore of family members. Weekend and holiday changes. Payment date can also shift whenever regularly payment day fall on weekend for federal holiday when this happen. The Social Security Administration usually send payment on the previous business day instead in May 2026. May 3rd, 3 landed on Sunday. Because of that, beneficiaries normally scheduled for the 3rd received their Social Security payment earlier on Friday, May 1 instead. Spousal and survivor benefit work differently. Some retirees become confused when their spouse receive benefit on a completely different day. That happens because spousal and survivor benefit often follow the birthday of the primary worker whose earning record create the benefit. For example, someone receives survivor benefit may receive payment based on their late spouse birth date rather than their own birth date, which surprised many social security receipts. Direct deposit versus paper check. Most social security payments today are delivered electronically through direct deposit or direct express debit card. Direct deposit usually makes fund available immediately on the scheduled payment date. However, some banks process deposit at slightly different times during the day. Retirees still receiving paper check may experience additional mailing delay caused by weather condition, postal service processing, or local delivery schedule. Why your Navivore got paid earlier? Your Navivore may have already received their Social Security payment simply because their birthday fall earlier in the month or because they qualify under a different payment rule. The timing difference usually has nothing to do with problem, missing paperwork or account issue. Social Security intentionally spread payment across multiple dates each month to manage millions of benefit deposit more efficiently nationwide. Why understanding the schedule matter? For many retirees, Social Security is the main source of monthly income used for rent, grocery, healthcare, and utility bill. Knowing exactly when payment arrive helps household budget carefully and avoid unnecessary stress. Understanding the payment calendar also helps retiree avoid panic when others receive money earlier. In most cases, different payment dates are completely normal and expected under Social Security rule. If your birthday falls between the 21st and 31st, your Social Security payment is scheduled for business day May 27, 2026. Other retiree may receive benefit earlier because of birth date schedule, SSI rule, or special payment timing expectation. Understanding how Social Security payment system work can help you manage your finance with more confidence each month. If the video help you, like, subscribe and share it with someone receiving Social Security benefit.